Now, when I'm on my Mac Chapel platform interface, using my Google Chrome, going to my browser and typing the name, I can actually install the Mac Chapel app so that the Flock app will actually be on my phone and I don't always have to go to my browser, but I can interact with it just like the way I'll tap on my WhatsApp icon and then it will open WhatsApp. We can do the same thing to the Flock platform. So how do we do it? When you are on the platform in your browser, especially Google Chrome, you click on your three dots, you go to add to home screen. Now, if you give it a moment, it is going to show you the app icon and then the name, and then you install. So you click on add, and once you do this, a shortcut has been created. And when I go onto my screen, it's here. This is my app, and I tap on it, it now opens the Mac Chapel platform. So this is how you install your Flock on your phone. And as you can see now, it's not opening with a browser again. It's now behaving just like a mobile app. So this, when I do anything, it still works correctly. And as you can see, my search is loading. So this is how we install the Mac Chapel platform.